What's going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. This is round 2 of today's video. I have a cheap dividend stock to watch. This is a real estate investment trust to watch. It has a very high dividend yield. It has significant dividend increases. It's actually a very underground dividend stock. A lot of people don't know about this one. And this one's definitely on my radar. It's a big portfolio. It has more than 1,000 properties that it owns. And I just want to thank you guys. We're just about at 6,500 subscribers on this YouTube channel. You guys have been fantastic. So make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Let's check this out right now. This is a very interesting real estate investment trust. It is Postal Realty Trust. It has a 5.08% dividend yield, a PE ratio 123.28. Very interesting. A volume of 132.90. A market cap of 242.17 million US dollars. G range was 1525 to 2127. Its day range was 1745 to 1820. This is a very interesting real estate investment trust, and I'm going to go into detail about these guys, but make sure you smash that like button too. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Let's check these guys out. So the symbol is PSTL. I apologize. They have 926 owned properties. On Google.com, they said that they have over 1,200 plus. They have 397 properties under management, 6.1 million total square footage, 99.6% occupancy, 50 states with Postal Realty Trust properties. So that's very attractive. All 50 states. So I like that about these guys. And I'm going to show you some of their acquisitions and properties real quick. And look at this map of these guys. This is very interesting. So they basically acquire buildings for the U.S. Postal Service. They call themselves Postal Realty Trust, but they're getting bigger. And I was just looking at their acquisitions section when I clicked that. The symbol is PSTL, and they appear like, they have an acquisition team if you need to call them and, be an acquisition. They look like they're just expanding and getting bigger and bigger. So that's pretty impressive. And again, the U.S. Postal Service, they're pretty big. So, they need to pay rent somewhere. So these guys are doing a really good job as a real estate investment trust, and they're just expanding. It's just insane how fast they are expanding as a company, which makes them very attractive. And I'll go over their revenue in a second. And I'll tell you why these guys are in demand and why they're a very popular real estate investment trust that's very undervalued. So already, this is in millions of US dollars. Look at how fast they have expanded revenue-wise and gross profit. So this is in millions of US dollars, 7.68, 11 to 24. And 24 was basically during a pandemic. So their revenue has increased during the pandemic. Look at their gross profit. I mean, 5.817 to 8.715 to 19.656. I'm cornered right here, trying to do this video at my parents' house. So things look very attractive with this real estate investment trust. And that's what I like about these guys. But what's even better is their dividend history. And look at this dividend growth rate in these guys. This is 2019, they are 6 cents. 2021, they are 22 cents. And their PE ratio is 160.91. Their dividend yield is 4.98%. Their annual dividend is 90 cents, and they're sitting at $17.70. So you're seeing a fast dividend growth rate, which is very attractive about these guys. And again, I always tell you guys, diversification, diversification, diversification. Now, again, this is not financial advice. It's for entertainment purposes only. Disclaimer in my description. But you're seeing a fast dividend growth rate. This is a cheap dividend stock. This is less than $20. And, when I say diversification, look at these guys. They're in the Postal Service. I have land, which is farmland, a real estate investment trust. I have O, which is like the whole package. Agree Realty Corporation, the whole package. Entertainment properties is obviously entertainment properties. So a lot of these real estate investment trusts are specialized, and these guys are as well. And remember, people need their mail. So this is what makes a postal service, a real estate investment trust with the postal service, in demand. And this is very attractive to dividend investors. And I am absolutely looking at these guys. I think this is very attractive. I myself, again, this is not financial advice. This is not for financial purposes. This is for entertainment only. Disclaimer in the description. But people need their mail. Okay, people need the mail, whether it's USPS, Amazon, real fast. It doesn't matter if you have a drone flying your stuff. You need mail, and this is why these guys are in demand. I don't see the government getting rid of the U.S. Postal Service. I see this being, government involved and private involved at the same time. But, the growth rate is so fast, and this company has done a very good job with maintaining this and growing so fast. There's a lot of confidence with the PE ratio 160.91. Again, you look at FFO, but I just showed you the revenue and how fast it was growing, which makes these guys a very attractive dividend stock. They're not doing too swell against the S&P, which makes them very attractive. You don't want to see a dividend growth real fast. I'm sorry, not a dividend growth, a price per share growth real fast, because, if you have Apple that's $400, how many people can afford that? So this is kind of stagnant in a line. It isn't jumping up too fast, and that's what makes these guys very attractive to dividend investors. I found this one, I had to show you guys. This is so attractive right now, and this is one that's definitely on my radar. I like the compounded annual growth rate. I like the dividend increases, and I like the cheap price on these guys. And this is what makes PTSL a great dividend stock to buy. Definitely on my radar. I want to know what you guys think, because diversification, again, is important when it comes to real estate investment trust. I see this is a pandemic-proof, recession-proof real estate investment trust. Like EPR, these guys took a big hit and then they went down. But these guys, I see a lot of stability. I see a lot of dividend hikes. And I don't see these guys going down. I just see them going up. And a lot of people have confidence in them. So that's very important. So let me know what you think of this video. If you are new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. This is my second video of the day. So my first video, I just showed you how excited I am to invest in VTSAX or VTI. And again, that one, you want your net asset value to improve. If the dividends increase, that's great. But I'm looking at net asset value with improvement, and increasing that with a Roth IRA. This one, if it's sitting at $17.70 and it's increasing its dividend all the time, that is beautiful for a dividend investor. So keep an eye on these guys. They're cheap, they're in demand, and definitely like these guys. So let me know. So you guys take care and have a good one.